The floor to Franciscans International.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. Franciscans International and Forum Asia welcome the report and statements of Dr. Agnes Callamard, the UN Special Rapporteur on extrajudicial, summary, and arbitrary executions, particularly in regards to the war on drugs in the Philippines. Since the government launched the campaign in July 2016, more than 7,000 persons, including children, have been unlawfully killed. This number keeps increasing as the Philippine president has made several public statements to continue killing in the anti-drug campaign. We deplore the situation in the Philippines. The UN High Commissioner on Human Rights called for a prompt, independent, and credible investigation into the killings, and more than 45 UN member states expressed similar concerns during the Philippines UPR in May 2017. However, up until now, no credible and independent investigation has taken place. As a member of the Council, the Philippine government has failed to not only uphold the highest standard of human rights, but also to cooperate with the Council's mechanisms, including special procedures. The government also places unacceptable conditions for the Special Rapporteur to conduct her country visit, which would have compromised the integrity of the mandate and the safety of human rights defenders. Recently, the Philippine president publicly threatened to behead any human rights defenders who challenge his policy and further demand for investigations. Mr. Vice President, we urge the Human Rights Council to condemn extrajudicial killings, urge the Philippine government to stop the killings and establish a credible and independent investigation process. We urge the Philippine government to collaborate with Council mechanisms by allowing the Special Rapporteur on extrajudicial, summary, and arbitrary execution.
Next speaker is the United Nations Watch.